Hello everyone, welcome to the basic Korean phrases. Learn smartly. These are phrases really important to learn Korean and you need every day if you are visiting Korea and if you are learning Korean languages. First phrase is 주세요. That means please give. If you want to have some water in restaurant, you must say 물 좀 주세요 or 물 주세요. 물 means water in Korea, 물, and 주세요 means please give. That's why you must say 물 주세요. If you say 물 주세요, the waiter of the restaurant will give you water. 물 주세요. 물 주세요. That means please give me a water. And we have a second word phrases which is called I'm sorry. In Korea, if you are saying sorry, if you made some kind of mistake, you want to say sorry, that's 죄송합니다. If you are making some big mistake, you have to say 죄송합니다. But if you just made some small mistake, then you have to say 미안합니다. That time you have to say 미안합니다. 미안합니다 means it's a small kind of errors or mistake that you made. And 죄송합니다 means if you made some kind of big mistake you should not have done but you made it. And you have to say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다 is little bit higher level of words or phrases. If you have to say it in the kind of office related things. But miyanamnida is okay to everywhere. You can say to the office workers or boss as well. But Sesungamnida is a little bit higher. And miyanamnida is okay to everyone. And thank you for watching. If you want more phrases and if you want to learn more Korean, please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.